Welcome back, y'all. It's about 9:30 the morning after the hard freeze that we got here in Florida, in Central Florida, and it's still frozen out here. It's just unbelievable. If I was reading some news articles, if I have my facts straight, I think it's the coldest. It's a record cold, record low temperature for our area. And it's certainly the coldest it's ever been that we've lived here. It got below freezing last night at about 1 o'clock. I was been trying to run my sprinklers all night, but we actually lost power right when it got below freezing, and it didn't come back on for like 5 hours. It's 9 o'clock now, and you can see everything is still frozen. And I mean, you know, I've been here for 11 years. It's never gotten below freezing here, let alone been freezing for, going on 8 hours now. This is just unbelievable. And I mean, I'm sure if you're watching from any other part of the country, you're kind of just laughing at us. But I mean, and I'm from North Georgia. I'm used to cold weather and snow and ice and stuff, but not down here. This is just unprecedented, and it's going to be just completely devastating to our garden here. I mean, a lot of these varieties of bananas and tropical ornamental plants that we have and fruit trees are not meant to withstand these temperatures. I mean, look at these bananas. I mean, they're already starting to die. You can see the color in the leaves is going. Right there, this like begonia plant, it's frozen solid. It doesn't look very good. This banana doesn't look very good. We'll have to go check on the coconut palms. See what we have up here. Let's see. Looks like we still have ice on stuff up here. Oh my goodness, this is just crazy. Holy cow. Look at my philodendrons. Oh, that's just terrible. Now these should be a more cold hardy plant. I wonder if maybe they're just being weighed down by the, yeah, it might just be all the ice that's on them, because I just couldn't run the sprinklers enough to keep up. I can't run every zone all at once. So by the time this zone came back on, you know, after running all the other 8 zones throughout the property, everything was iced over. I mean, look at this. There's still ice all over the place. This is just crazy. Oh my goodness. We'll check on the plants that we put in here overnight. I actually have a heater going right there. You can see all the plants. I was moving plants in here until it got dark, basically. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, this is just terrible. Let's go look at this. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Let's go. I'm gonna walk into the backyard and check up on the coconut palms. All right, here's the big beautiful coconut palm that looks fine right now, but I imagine if it's gonna be harmed by the weather, it might take a little longer to show than these bananas. These bananas are, you can see they're all starting to go here. The colors in the leaves are not correct anymore. This stand of bananas looks okay. Maybe. It's pretty warm right here. I don't see any ice back here anywhere. The ice is from the sprinklers, from the irrigation. I was hoping to run it enough to keep it all from getting icy, but it just got too cold. Yeah, you can see all the coconut palms back here look okay. Oh, I don't know, they might be a little tallest one looks pretty bad, actually. This one looks okay right here. Here's our mangoes. They look okay. Of course, this is just the morning, the first morning after. It could take several days for some of this stuff to show, you know, real damage. There's this loquat in the corner here. It looks okay. It's a little more cold hardy than some of this other stuff that we have. It's plumeria in front of it. Who knows? I'm sure it'll be okay. As of now, almost all the bromeliads look fine, and the pineapples, and the agaves. Agaves are a little more cold hardy, some of these varieties. Let's see. We've got the crinum lily here. That's pretty cold hardy. Not too worried about that. Here's a carambola. Actually, all of our star fruits look okay. There's a citrus tree right here. More bananas. How do all these bananas look? These don't look too bad. Oh, it's amazing that they're not just brown and completely dead already. I mean, there's, you can see there's still ice. We are still in the freezing temperatures. That's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm almost at a loss for words right now. Oh my gosh. This is terrible. It's just terrible. All right, y'all. Well, only time will tell. We obviously lost some stuff here. There's no doubt about it. But some of the other stuff looks okay. I guess only time will tell with some of the bigger stuff, like the coconut palms and some of the other fruit trees we have. I'm not even gonna. This was the banana that I showed y'all in the last video that has a nice rack of bananas on it. I'm not even gonna uncover that until tomorrow because it's supposed to get below freezing again tonight. So we'll see. Well, I'll check back in with everybody in a day or two, and we'll see what the real. Oh man, look at that! This bridal bouquet plumeria. That does not look good. All right. Well, yeah, I'll check back in with everybody in a day or two. That's when the the full extent of the damage probably will be known. And we'll see. Hopefully right now it's not really as bad as I was thinking, but I don't know. We'll see. I hope everybody else out there did all right too. Let us know down below how y'all fared. And I guess we just got to get to work cleaning everything up. So. All right, take care, y'all.